Taking a can of Grand's biscuits, I'm just kind of smushing them down. A box of these hash brown patties, like the kind you get at McDonald's. For our next layer, I'm gonna cook up some sausage. Just dump that all on top. Our next layer is, this is 10 strips of bacon. Then we're gonna set this aside while we make our filling. Got a dozen eggs in here, adding just a splash of half and half. Garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, seasoning salt, chives, and some black pepper. Add a really good mix and pour this all over the top. Top this with 2 cups of your favorite cheese blend. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Look at how golden brown it got. It looks so good. Top this with some chopped up green onions, some parsley. Oh. Mm-hmm.